so we're making a dish that is just very popular to all the people I've ever made it for. I used to do it at Empire Diner. I cook it at home a lot. It's mac and cheese, but it's not mac and cheese. It's Orzo mac and cheese.
Ah.
And I only call it mac and cheese because there's cheese and cream and pasta. But other than that, it's nothing like it.
Orzo is mac. It's macaroni that looks like rice, but it's not rice. It's Orzo. It's pasta.
It gets some greens in it, of course. We have to blanch some asparagus. So we got some nice salty water here. And I'm going to just throw this in, get it going. I don't want it to be too cooked. So I'm going to shock it. You know, I know.
Just stop the cooking process.
The cooking process. The home cook doesn't do this process as much. So blanch and shock your vegetables, especially on Thanksgiving, because everybody asks me, how do you do the timing? How do I get it all on the table at the same time? If your vegetables are cooked already, all you have to do is warm them really quick.
Right.
They're out of the way. This pot is gone, and then you have another burner. So it's all about prep.
Right.
Prep. And then we're gonna cook some orzo, but if you wanna cut asparagus for me, that would be awesome. Or you can just keep eating Brussels sprouts. You know, this is...
All right.
You're the guest who comes into the kitchen and says, do you need anything? And then you snack, right? So meanwhile, we're just gonna cut, it's gonna kind of look like that.
You got it right here. I'm gonna go back to eating.
I'm gonna saute a little bit of garlic, a little bit of butter. Okay, here's what I'm gonna say about Thanksgiving. Everything goes out the window. We're eating gluten, we're eating butter, we're eating dairy, we're not on a diet.
Oh, yes.
I love that reaction.
Of course.
Because it's Thanksgiving and we're just letting it all go. We're gonna speed this up because I want to show you something really exciting.
Okay.
Okay, in goes asparagus. I'm excited. And I'm just happy to be here and talking about sides. Again, turkey's great, but I'm going for all the sides.
It's all the sides.
Yeah, so the orzo goes in. Again, something pre-prepared. Pecorino and parm. That's our thickener, right? And then in goes this cream. I'm sorry, but it's gonna get creamy here. And I don't hear
them complaining.
I know, I'm not apologizing. Okay, this is very important. Listen up. Black truffle butter. I am not using truffle oil.
Real black truffles in butter.
Yes, totally different flavor. It tastes very rich. It has that umami that truffles have, and it's not overwhelming. Now, I don't know if you've ever seen that show Chopped that I'm on.
I think they're familiar.
But as soon as somebody grabs a truffle oil, you know they're gonna be chopped. Okay, so then this is creamy and good, and it's going into this casserole dish to be served.